Children, open page number 44 of my English reader. Let's do exercise C5. Complete the following table with the information from the text. Children, this table has been divided into 4 parts. First, statement, then who said it, next column is whom it was said to, and the last is why was it said. Now let's start. First statement is don't be afraid of me. Yes children, you have read the chapter and you know who said it. Yes, Dino said it. And whom it was said to? It was said to Meenu. And why was it said? Because Meenu got scared of the dinosaur. Second statement is I have heard you harm others. Who said it? Meenu said it. And whom it was said to? It was said to Dino. And why? Because Meenu saw a dinosaur kept in the museum. Next statement is we used to live on the earth. Yes children, tell me who said these words? Yes, Dino. And to whom? To Meenu, because it is a conversation between Meenu and Dino. And why was it said? Because dinosaurs are extinct animals. Last statement is that's really sad. Who said it? Meenu said it. And to whom it was said to? It was said to Dino. And why was it said? Because people harm animals. So children, this way you will complete C5 in the book only. Now let's do exercise C6. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. There are some words given in the box and you know the meanings of these words. So first you will read the statement and then you will pick up a suitable word from the box and you will fill the gap. Let's start. First is trees look dash in the darkness of the night. Children, have you ever seen trees at night? Yes. How do they look? Yes, they look strange. So you will write trees look strange in the darkness of the night. Second is we should dash the courage shown by the little girl. Yes. Which word you will write here? Admire. We should admire the courage shown by the little girl. Third is when the sun rises, the fog will, you all know, the fog will disappear. So you will write in this plan the word disappear. Next is she dash asked the teacher to explain the poem again. She hesitatingly. What will you write in this plan? Hesitatingly. She hesitatingly asked the teacher to explain the poem again. Fifth is there is a dash banyan tree in front of our house. There is a huge banyan tree in front of our house. And the last is dresses displayed in the showroom looked very dash. Yes children, when you go to mall and you see the things kept in the showrooms, sometimes you find them very attractive. So you will write dresses displayed in the showroom looked very attractive. Children, this way you will complete exercise C5 and C6 in the book only with the help of your parents. Thank you.